Hey, this is quick sharpening. I'm just going to show it to you first, and then we'll talk about it. Okay, now that is sharp enough to trim off the fur on a piece of plywood. That's certainly sharp. Back in the shop after a month and a bit break. Had a bit of a health holiday, but I'm getting better every day and should be fully recovered in a week or two. The weather here has turned very south, so the shop move is delayed until the gravel pile outside thaws out. Should be soon. Hopefully I'll be able to move into the new shop just before Christmas or perhaps during the Christmas break.